Hey guys, welcome back to VRK. Oh my god. Sorry guys, I could not upload video yesterday so due to some technical problems. So today I'm uploading. It is going to be very interesting video guys. It is going to be day before yesterday's continuation vlog. So guys, before getting in a video, you know right what to do. Please do subscribe, share, like my videos. Guys who have not seen Sigandur series 1 and series 2 videos, please go ahead and watch guys. I'm going to leave the link in the description box. And this is series 3. Don't miss to watch full video. This place is truly magnificent. One gets to drive through the core parts of the Western Ghats to reach the ferry terminal. The river crossing takes nearly 20 minutes, and the river crossing itself is a joyful ride for those who don't visit temples often. Too will fall in love with this place. Guys, in the previous video you might have seen the ferry experience of others, but in this video my own experience I'm going to share with you. So can you see how it is looking? So we're already in the ferry guys. Thank god we got the place where I can really view the great views from here. This Sigandur or Siganduru is a small village located in Sagara Taluk, Karnataka in India. The village is surrounded on three sides by backwaters of Linganamakki dam formed by Sharavati river. The place is known for Sigandur Chaudeshwari temple, which attracts hundreds of people every day. And if you're traveling from other places, you need to park your vehicles in Sigandur and take a ferry and cross the river. 20 minutes it takes, and take a jeep or the bus to the temple, which is just 5 kilometers from the river. It is a small temple town accessible through the state-run ferry services. You will have a nice 15 to 20 minutes ferry ride to the other side of the backwaters. You can take nice photos of the backwaters while on the ferry. There are not many eateries, so better have food before. Because even same thing we did before getting into the ferry, we really had our breakfast and then we get inside the ferry and look at the views guys. Really it's a great experience, only I can say. Wonderful experience. I'm so glad to share this place with you guys. No bridges available. If you want to carry your car or personal vehicles along with you, please be prepared to wait for 3 to 4 hours. Or you have another option too. You can even park the vehicle, the place where we wait. There is a parking place and you can go visit the temple and you can come back with the ferry itself. Temple also offers free food to all the visitors. Well organized, one of the most famous temple in the region and very powerful too. Please avoid in the weekends to visit this temple because you need to wait for a long. You definitely enjoy the ride on the ferry along with the buses, lorries and other vehicles. This place is really reminded me of islands in the backwaters. And we really had a great experience and we really enjoyed the ferry ride, and definitely you'll also enjoy once you visit this. Definitely you say just wow. And guys, this is really a nice temple situated in Island. Ferry is very crowded and you can really try for an experience, and total time as taken for us it is nearly 2 to 3 hours. Guys, it's time to get on from the ferry and we already reached. From here to reach the temple it takes 5 minutes, and now come on, let's go. Guys, this is the parking place of the temple. We almost reached. Now we're gonna park the car and we're going for the darshan. Guys, this is room booking counter. You can even book the room and you can fresh up. Nor if you want to stay over here, only after 5 o'clock the rooms will be available. And this is the temple. Guys, videos are not allowed inside the temple, so I'll catch up after the darshan. Guys, we're done with our darshan. We are going back now. So we really had a great time and powerful temple, great experience with the ferry and great views. And definitely I suggest you this place, guys, to visit at least once in a lifetime. I hope you really had a great time watching this video, guys. If so, please don't forget to subscribe, share, like my videos. To watch even more beautiful videos in my channel, so don't forget to hit the bell icon to get all the notification. So who are really watching my channel without subscribing, please do subscribe, share, like my videos, and let's catch up with a new video again tomorrow. Until then, take care, bye bye.